Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your acrylic lucite robe hook, step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts from your kit. Your kit includes a traditional open post, an Allen key, grub screws, mounting screws, and acrylic rod. Start by sliding in the acrylic tube into the open post. Once they're in position, tighten with the grub screw to secure the post to the tube. Choose the spot where you want to install the hook and take a moment to measure the exact location. Hold the robe hook against the wall and mark the screw holes with a pencil. Drill at the marked points. Place the hook back on the wall and insert one screw to hold it in place. Use a level to check that everything is straight and make any adjustment needed. When you're satisfied with the alignment, tighten the remaining screw to fully secure the hook. And that's it! Your acrylic lucite robe hook is now assembled and ready to use. With few simple steps, and you're all set.